Hey guys, today I'm bringing you a Rookie Premier pack opening. I'm making them by all three of the packs right here. Just because I can. Just see what I can, if I can get anything. It's kind of pointless. Let's see, I might be able to get a Rookie Premier pack. But it's going to be really hard to get an update team from that pack anyways. And then on to the final one. Let's see what we get here. Oh, that Alshon Jeffrey, okay. That's the little. Oh, that Leon Hall. That was a nice pull. It's not gonna be an update team, but that was still a nice pull. I mean, I could. Was probably one of my highest overall pulls on Madden Mobile, but it was a little pointless since I can't even sell them. But as you can see, this is my team, and signing out. Peace.